Hello, and welcome to another update video on Bitcoin. Yeah, just a quick update, quick intraday update after the daily candle close. The price is still in this blue target zone, and therefore we can keep it short and sweet in this video. We haven't really seen any changes since the last video. The only adjustment I have made is I have slightly adjusted Fibonacci resistance it's now between $106,648. That's the 38.2 retracement of the decline, and the 78.6 retracement at $108,059. This is like, this is an ideal, you could say, resistance area after the market dipped in 3 waves. 3 waves up could be next, like an intraday rally, but hold on. So far, we haven't really seen any movement since the last update. In fact, the market made one more low, hitting the 123.6 extension there. And bear in mind, the blue zone is an ideal target zone for this C wave of wave A. Now, I cannot rule out that this is turning into 5 waves, right? Like an A wave can turn into 5 waves, but often an A wave ends as a 3-wave move. 5 would obviously be more clearly bearish, and if we really get 5 waves down, then it is likely not going to be... No, that's not correct, actually. What I wanted to say is that if it's 5 waves down, it's probably not the yellow wave 4, which is a corrective pullback, which could lead to one more high. But that's not correct because the wave 4 could also be an A, B, C structure, and then C wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the levels remain relevant. For the yellow scenario, that could take us to one more high before a more substantial top forms. The price should hold above the 50% retracement at around 103,930. And if we go below that level, it is more clearly already a deeper pullback. But as long as we're holding this box, specifically even this target area, it keeps definitely the yellow count alive, and also it could just be wave A as a 3-wave move. Next bounce corrective means, okay, this could be a B wave. Pay close attention to this resistance area. There are 4 Fibonacci levels that could lead to a reaction, and then any 5-wave decline. Let's assume we rally into this area here, for which I have absolutely no evidence or anything, right? But let's assume we rally into this area right now. The potential is there. Again, it would only be a B wave bounce most likely. Then the C wave down could start from there, and an initial 5-wave move down would represent that wave C has started. Then we could get a corrective bounce, which should stay below the B wave high, and then we can continue the pathway into the lower support area that is located between $100,490 and $103,433. So what are we watching for in the very short term here? It is going to be a reaction to one of these Fib levels. You see that the market is respecting these, like we had a reaction here, but it was very weak. Another reaction here, it's a bit stronger, but maybe not enough yet. So maybe we get 1 or 2 more lows. And especially here, the area around 104,950 to 105,150 is an area of interest, a particular area of interest, because there are a couple of levels overlapping there. And this is also where one more low could take us to. So just watching, therefore, reaction. The lower we go in the short term, the deeper or lower also the resistance area here needs to be adjusted, going lower with the price. So overall, not too much action here. I just want to keep it short. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.